Yeah, today we're taking a look at a polybag, so I mean, it's not really much to go over with the, let's just get into it, shall we? Hello and welcome back to another LEGO review. Today we're taking a look at a polybag from the City Space subtheme, set number 30663, Space Hoverbike. Alright, any other information? 46 pieces, retails for around $5 Canadian. It's a polybag. They're all pretty much the same price. Yeah, there's not a lot to go over with this. So, start with the minifig, I guess. The female astronaut. I actually do really like the printing on this. It's a really nice sci-fi suit without being too complex. Also, I do like that they're using the new, well, not new now, but the newer style astronaut helmet with the dual molding. And she has a hearing aid. No alternate face because of that, but that's fine. Then you have a little piece of terrain, just a very small one with some dark tan and burnt orange, which is nice. And also these really, really beautiful satin purple, I think they're called. It's effectively a purple with like a polarized blue glitter effect, I guess, in it. It looks really, really good in person. It's also used for the battery, because these are obviously supposed to be like energy crystals, and they harvested for this. It's just a cylinder with a 1x1 round plate on the top, but it works. Something that works a little less is apparently that's the controls, which a little low down, isn't it? I feel like they could have put an extra brick there or something, but it's not a big deal, I guess. Otherwise, you have sort of a camera sensor array on the front, which is nice. It's kind of a scope dog lens thing going on. And the side thrusters actually do rotate, so you can have them turn, and a little bit extra playability with this, which is nice. Also, they don't really show it, but you could, have it VTOL if you wanted. I do wish they included a little clear piece or something underneath here, just so it was off the ground slightly, because as it is, it's kind of just got to swoosh it to be a hoverbike. This uses the new, what was it, medium orange or something that was introduced with the City Space line, which is a very nice color. It's sort of a mandarin color, I guess. Also, weirdly, a little bit of sand blue on the back. No sand blue anywhere else on this, or the figure, or anything. It's just these two little rail pieces. Almost feels like those were left over from something. As for spare parts, you actually do get a couple. This one's kind of useful, and get a printed battery piece. Otherwise, it's just, bushing and a couple of colored translucent studs. And as for just a quick size comparison, I mean, it's a polybag, it's not going to be that big, is it? So, to wrap this review up, for a polybag, it's not bad. I think the shaping on the bike is pretty good. I do think it could have been slightly improved with a few different parts, but that's not a huge problem or anything. There's not really a whole lot to say about this. It's a decent little hoverbike, and it's not that expensive, so it's worth picking up. It'll definitely make a nice little addition to any of the other space sets. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for future reviews. Come chill in the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, if that's even still around. And consider supporting me on Patreon so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And, as always, until next time, happy building.